Welcome to this Tastemade Summer Night Dinner Meditation. Now, this content is not what you would normally expect, yet it's an important part of what we do here at Tastemade, and we would love to have you join us for this short meditation. My name is Amanda. I'll be your guide in this culinary exploration and visualization meditation, where we'll be stepping into a beautiful summer scene, filled with the high heat flavors of a warm summer night. During this meditation, you can choose to watch the beautiful food images in front of you, or you're welcome to close your eyes. Even though we know closing your eyes isn't what normally happens on social media, it's nice to take a moment for yourself sometimes. And don't worry, it will be here when you're done. We'll begin by picturing a perfect summer evening. You know, the type of summer night where the heat of the day is still lingering and your body feels warm even in your favorite sundress and sandals or cool cotton t-shirt and shorts you are wearing to a dinner party with friends. Throughout this practice, you'll be focusing on all the joy and sense of fulfillment a summer night dinner with your closest friends can create. To start our practice, go ahead and become comfortable. Allow your body to settle in and find ease. Invite a deep breath in and out through the nose. Now allow your breath to become natural and let your mind start to visualize a perfect summer setting outside in a backyard, lit by the strings of porch lights and lamps and the late daylight from the sunset sky starting to set in. All around you, you start to hear the sounds of clinking plates, warm-hearted conversation, and the background soundscape of crickets and dinner tunes as you see a beautiful table set. Ready to enjoy the ripe experience of endless hours of food, drink, laughter, and the sweet notes of time well spent, where both your belly and heart will leave full. Allow your gaze to rest on the table. Notice how it's a beautiful art piece in itself, with a white linen tablecloth, plates, servingware, glistening silverware, pitchers of cool lemon water, and even foliage, flowers, and candles illuminating the entire dinner table. And then your gaze begins to lift, and you notice a dear friend walking outside from the house towards the dinner table. They have a plate of summer corn on the cob and also a beautiful summer salad. Savor each and every moment, including the moments of conversation that are filling the air around you. And as you begin to take part in each bite, savor each and every flavor, even the color and hues of the food, all of the aromas, and every tasty flavor and bite. Feel connected and fulfilled by these special summer night moments with friends. Let the conversation, connection, the laughter, the happiness, the fulfillment just fill your mind, your body, and your heart. Then to end this summer night dinner with dear friends and community, you notice that some summer fruit and desserts are arriving at the table. Allow these sweet bites of summer to delight the tongue and the senses, and to leave that sweet feeling of fulfillment lingering in the mind, the body, and the heart. Take a moment to savor the sounds, scenes, and sensations. Allow the wonder, awe, and magic of the summer night to fill your own heart and mind. Rest your awareness in the scene of freedom, contentedness, and fun, knowing that nights like this are precious and only happen during the warm, endless nights of the summer season. Now take a deep, relaxing breath in and out. When you're ready, invite some small movement into the body, allowing the body to move and stretch in any way that it would like. I hope you enjoyed this journey through a special moment of friends and food. You can take any feeling of joy and fulfillment you may be feeling out with you into the rest of your day. I'll see you back here for your next Tastemade meditation soon.